Welcome, students. This is an EduProtocol Thin Slides activity for you to share one idea about how you can help save Earth for this Earth Day. The video instructions are going to be right here on this slide. So what you need to do first is open the link that your teacher sent you. If your teacher sent you a link and you're not able to get in, show your teacher this video, make sure your teacher goes to share, and then they change this to anyone with the link can edit this, and then they copy that link and send it over to you guys. So the way that this works is each of you are going to get your own slide. So you're going to see here that there are a whole bunch of slides. They're all the same, and you're going to want to pick one. Make sure you're not on the same slide as anyone else in your class. You're going to want to click here and type in your name. It's my name. And then you're going to want to share an idea of how to help save the Earth. So we're going to go here to the text and we're going to type out our idea. So I'm going to type my idea real quick. So my goal is to try and keep the ocean clean, and we're going to do that by not throwing away anything unnecessary. We can take anything that is recyclable and recycle it. So some other ideas would be like taking a shorter shower to help to save water. Focus on air pollution by not driving around as many places, like maybe ride a bike or ride around in a car with a friend. So some of those are just some ideas. And what you can do now is go over to these tools here on the left, and you can select a background. Since mine has to do with the ocean, I'm going to look that up, and we're going to just drop that in here, and that's going to be the ocean. Or if you want to change your image, you can go here and you can select any of them, and it's going to change that background. Let's do this one as our final one. Now there are some other things that you can add here. You can go on here to the side and go to elements and add a water bottle to show what it looks like if things aren't clean. So we'll throw one in there like trash. Make it very small because the ocean is very big. Okay, and maybe I want to put in something like a dolphin, even though the dolphin's not going to be under the water, but you know, it'll be okay. It's actually going to be a different color. It's really, really big. But what you can do is if there's an outline on a video that is here, you can click on it and go to edit video. And then we can take the background out of that video. And now it just kind of looks like a dolphin's floating in the ocean. Let's move it a little bit this way. And now it kind of looks like it's under the water there. Really. You can also select this. Go up here and change the color of your font and even the type of font that you have. Let's try this one. Yeah, why not? All right. You can go here and keep adding some different images, and you can edit your images from within here. So let's go to, I'm going to select photos, and I want this little guy here, even though I should have put him on a beach, but he's going to just be floating in the ocean. So once I pick something, I can go here to edit it. And there's some different things that you can do over here. So I'm just going to do this, and then I'm going to drop him out. And I'm going to get rid of this image. And now I have a little crab. So there is a whole lot that you can do with this. I'm only showing you how to complete this one activity. So if you are interested in learning more about Canva, you can reach out to EdTech, and you can have your teacher schedule something in your classroom to learn more about how to use all of these really nifty, neat tools.